Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this pizza blanket square or granny square out of this book I got from my local library. Now for the materials you're going to need today: a white yarn for the square, a yellow yarn for the cheese on the pizza, a tan yarn for the pizza, and a red yarn for the pepperoni, and a 4.5mm crochet hook.
Hi, and welcome back to Simply Made by Hand. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video.
You're going to begin with a magic ring and chain 1. You're going to then make 6 single crochet into your magic circle. After you do that, pull your tail nice and tight and slip stitch to your first stitch. Next, chain 1 and make 1 double crochet in your first stitch. Then make 3 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Put 2 double crochets in your last stitch. Make sure you have 18 double crochets and slip stitch to your first stitch and chain 1. Next, you're going to put 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 in the next, and then 1 in the next, 2 in the next, one in the next. You're going to repeat this all the way around until you have 26 stitches. Stitch to close this round and chain 1. You're going to chain 1 and begin with a double crochet in your first stitch. Then make 2 double crochets in the next 2. So I have 2 double crochets in one stitch. I'm going to do that one more time. Then you're going to put 1 double crochet in the next. So that is your repeat. 2 in the next stitch, then 2 in the next stitch after that, and then 1 in the next. Repeat that all the way around. You're going to start in your first stitch and make a double crochet. Then you're going to make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Then you're going to make 1 double crochet in the next 2, and you're going to repeat that all the way around. So 2 in the next 2, and then 1 double crochet in the next 2. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet in the last 3 stitches and slip stitch to your first stitch, cut your yarn and fasten off. So grab your tan yarn, put a slip knot on your hook, and for this whole round we're going to work in the front loops only. So you're just going to join to any front loop and make a half double crochet in every stitch. That's all you're going to do for this round. A half double crochet in the front loop of every single stitch. You should have 64 half double crochets by the end of this round. at the end of your round, you're going to slip stitch to your first stitch, chain 1, and we're going to repeat the same thing we did this round, except you're just going to put 1/2 double crochet in the entire stitch. You don't have to work in the front loops for this round. Just 1/2 double crochet in every single stitch. Cut my tan yarn and fastened off. We're going to work the square around our pizza, and then I will show you how to crochet the pepperoni and add the finishing details. So I'll show you where we are working the square. So we worked in the front loops, and you can see the little back loops all around this edge, and that is where we are going to work. You're just going to make a standing treble crochet into the very first stitch, or whichever stitch you join into. So standing treble, then you're going to chain 2 and make another treble crochet right back into that same stitch, and then do a treble crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2, 1/2 double in the next 2, and then 1 single crochet in the next 5, 1/2 double in the next 2, 1 double in the next 2, 1 treble crochet, 1 treble crochet in the next stitch, chain 2 and put 1 treble crochet right back into that same stitch, and 1 more treble crochet, and we're going to repeat the same thing we just did, the 2 doubles, 2 half doubles, 5 singles, 2 half doubles, 2 doubles, and then repeat the same thing you did for the corner here, a treble crochet, then a treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet in the same stitch, and 1 more treble crochet. Now the next 3 rows are going to be exactly the same. You're going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. In your corners, you're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Slip stitch to your first stitch and chain 1, and do that for 3 rounds. Now we're going to make the pepperoni, which is very simple. You're just going to make a magic circle and chain 1 and make 6 single crochet into that magic circle. Pull the tail tight, slip stitch your first stitch, and then you can make as many of these as you want and sew them onto your project. And here's my finished pizza square. I did sew down the crust so it would stay put, and I only added 4 pieces of pepperoni, and I did use a darker yellow to make the lines for each slice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.